How do you identify which area of your business is actually struggling? The top line and the bottom line. Revenue minus cost is equal to profit. But we always forget this basic equation, revenue minus cost is equal to profit. If your top line is struggling, that means your strategy, your sales and marketing are struggling. And we are searching for all the excuses around us, whether we can justify whether these three functions are really in good position and shape and everything else sucks. And if your bottom line is struggling, that means you have an issue with your operations, you have an issue with your HR, finance, you have an issue with your innovation strategy. And this is the difference that we need to understand when we are targeting the top line and the bottom line. Without top line, there is no bottom line given. But with the top line, if your bottom line is not growing or it is not in sync, then there are issues that need to be sorted in the last four areas. And that's what you need to understand, that every business is not equal, but every business will have the 7 growth levers, and each growth levers need to be actually looked into in detail, provide the system and the processes and the team competence into place so that they can actually perform at the best level possible with respect to the vision that you have created for the organization. You are a business owner. It doesn't mean that one day you are a peon, second day you are a salesperson, third day you are a marketing person, fourth day you are an operation, fifth day you are taking an HR role, sixth day you are an operation guy, and seventh day you may be a finance guy. But if you are playing all 7 roles in your business today, that precisely could be the reason why your business may not be growing. So stop playing those 7 roles that you have, and maybe you need to understand which of the 7 roles you are playing perfectly and you could be the master of one. And once you know that master of 1 or 2, you need to have the competent team around you which can actually complement the rest of the roles. And that's what precisely all the successful businesses do. They create the ecosystem around which this entire business grows. When the business is dependent only on the owner, that is when it doesn't grow. So if you are in business and your top line and bottom line still struggling, just make sure that you look at those different aspects of the puzzle and also understand which of the role or the hat that you can wear masterfully, and also execute rest of the functions with the competent team around you. And if you need help to understand how all pieces together can work and help you grow your business, please connect and let's have a chat to understand how you can grow in your business from different directions.